Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to fix the problem of iPhone hotspots not showing on TV. Now this is usually the case with Android TVs, but if you have any other brands of TV that also have this same problem, the solutions I will be showing in this video will also work out pretty well for you. So currently the hotspot of my iPhone is actually turned on, as you can see from over here. But if I go over to the Wi-Fi settings of my TV, you're going to find out that my TV cannot even find my iPhone for me to be able to connect to it. And to fix this problem, first things first, you actually have to make sure that the hotspot is properly turned on your iPhone. So go over to the settings of your iPhone and then go over to the personal hotspot settings from over here. Then just make sure that allow others to join is actually turned on. Then you also want to make sure that maximize compatibility is turned on. Now once you turn this on, most of the time it actually fixes the problem. So if I go ahead and turn off my TV's Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, you can now see that it is able to find the name of my iPhone hotspots to even connect to it. If that does not work out for you, another thing you want to do is to make sure that there are not too many devices already connected to your iPhone's hotspot. In that case, you might be able to find the name of your iPhone hotspot, but you will not be able to connect to it properly. So you can go ahead and disconnect any other devices and see if that will fix that problem for you when you try to connect it again. Finally, if that does not work out for you, another thing you want to do is to just unplug your TV from the wall socket. So just go ahead and unplug it from the wall socket. Once the TV is turned off, you want to locate the power button, usually at the bottom of the TV, and then you just want to go ahead and long press on that power button for about 10 seconds. Now for mine, you can literally see the power button just at the bottom of the TV over here. Now after about 10 seconds, you want to release the power button, go back and plug your TV to the power source again. Finally, once it is completely turned on, you want to go ahead and try to connect it to your iPhone's hotspot again and try and see if that will fix that problem for you. The final thing you can also do if your iPhone hotspot is not being detected by the TV is to simply make sure that your hotspot is actually visible. And the way you do that is to just swipe down through the notification center on your iPhone, and then over here you're going to see the personal hotspot. Make sure it is actually turned on, and if it is turned on, you can as well just turn it off and then turn it on. Make sure it is showing discoverable over here, and again you should be able to find your iPhone hotspot on your TV. And if any of this solution worked out for you, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.